What's up, BBs? It's your girl boujeeebae back again with another video. Today we're gonna do how to crimp your hair. You guys been asking me ever since I uploaded my Chicago video, but the crazy part about this is I recorded this when I first did my crimps, and guess what, y'all? Video got deleted, gone, vanished. I was so pissed, but I was like, you know what? I love y'all so much. Let me drop it again, because a lot of people was active on my Instagram and on YouTube. So, you know, gotta give y'all what y'all want. So this wig is ISEE 26-inch wig. It still lasts. It's the same install I have from the Chicago video. It's still intact. Edges are still the same from the video. Y'all, I did my thing. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're OGBB, what's up? Welcome back. And if you haven't already, press that subscribe button for me right now, and let's get into the video. To achieve this style, I am using the iron crimper iron. I got it from Sally's. I'll put it in the description box below if anybody is interested. And y'all, when I tell y'all, the whole Chicago, like, my crimps lasted. This hair could take some curls. Y'all know how some hairs just don't take curls? ISEE, y'all doing the thing. It's too hot for that right there. Y'all doing the thing. This wig is really worth it, and I am obsessed with it. Y'all asked for an updated video, so I'm gonna tie both of them into one. For my curls to last, I use the Sebastian Shape Plus. Sebastian Shape Plus. They sell it at, where they sell it? They sell it at Sally's, and they also sell it at Publix. I seen it in Publix, but it's cheaper at Sally's. And I also use my Got To Be glue, but I'm not gonna put Got To Be glue sprayed on it right now because I'm taking this hair out because I gotta do another hair video. So I'm not gonna put too many chemicals on here. So what I usually do, I just hold it for 10 seconds. Some people flip it like this, but I feel like it does the same thing. I ain't about to flip my hair. It literally gave me the same thing. This is my second time crimping my whole head. And that was my first time crimping my hair, and it was a success. Oh, that was more than 10 seconds. Okay, so when you get the first one, y'all see how that curl is right there? Clamp on that curl. And I'll hold it a little bit, because you know how you're supposed to hold your curl till it cool down. Like, I don't see it right here because it's a hot mess. I haven't done my hair since Chicago. Because finals week, y'all. Woo, woo, I'm glad it's over. If y'all got finals, comment down below if it's over. I might drop this video before finals week is over, because I am so happy it's over, y'all. It's just, it was a bit much. Now I'm just doing extra credits. But this semester is over. I want to thank Jesus. Them good grades. But y'all see how I'm clamping right at that end curl? For the next one, I'll come closer so you guys can see. Hold that for a couple of seconds, and then boom, clamp on the next curl. On some crimping videos that I watch, they try to explain it, but they don't actually show it. So I feel the need that I need to actually show it, because people not showing. You telling me, but you're not showing me. So I'm gonna show y'all. Go right on that next curl till you get to the bottom. I ain't hold that one long enough, but it's all good. Crimp, 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 crimp. Y'all, it's crimp season. You hear me? Crimp season. These crimps are giving me life. I remember when crimps was the style when I was like in... Can that girl be quiet? But yeah, y'all, that is me crimp right there. See how it all flows in one? I can't stand a crimp that can't flow. Y'all go check out my vlog when I was buying a whole bunch of stuff, and this is when I bought my Sebastian. And y'all, this Sebastian give me life, okay? I see why people are using it and obsessed with it. I am obsessed with it. Spray that thing on everything. Spray that thing on everything. And it doesn't give your hair that hard, crunchy after effect like the Got To Be glue spray do. I do not like that whatsoever. If y'all in school, y'all comment down below what's your major, what grade you in, if you still in high school. Let me know. I be liking to know where my subscribers are like what are my subscribers doing, where they're from. Also tell me where you from too. I'm big on where people from. Yo, I'll be quiet. But yeah, y'all, let me know where y'all from and all that good stuff. I would love to know where y'all from. I just want to be successful. My boyfriend on the phone on mute right now. We just have that. I need you right now, babe. No matter what you're doing, let me talk to you. We have that type of relationship. Since we are long distance, you know. Let me give y'all an update on my relationship. My relationship is going... What are you doing? My relationship is going amazing, y'all. We are both happy, and we both can tell that we both are happy with each other, and I'm really happy with him. That's my guy right there, you know. There we go. We just keep clamping. Keep clamping at the last one. And if you ain't got time on your hand, I just ask you, please don't crimp your hair, because crimping takes so long. If you really want it to look nice and full, boom. So y'all, I might fast forward it from this point on, because I showed y'all twice, and I'll come back to when I get to the top of my head. Y'all know this my song. It's been in my last 2 videos.
Doucement, chérie, doucement. Nous un plaisir, nous qu'a fait bien, nous qu'a fait mouvement. On pas malade pour moi, sauver lentement. Gardez qui chante, tout le monde pas besoin de moi.
last little piece, I just literally burnt myself. My back hurt. I'm real precise when it comes to this last little piece right here. You can see the little curls. Like I told y'all before, the curls will last in this hair. It shall last. This crimper gets so freaking hot. I'm so obsessed with it. Like, jeez. And I got lazy on this side, y'all. Oh, God, my yeah. I got lazy on this side, y'all. But you can't tell I got lazy. I can tell I got lazy, but y'all comment down below if y'all can tell I got lazy. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. I'm gonna work and be like, girl, where you going? Where you going? Last little piece. Voila. And I'm finished. So when I get to the end, so this is how it look while it's tight. As y'all can see, I told you I got lazy on this side. I got tired, y'all. So when I get towards the end, I get my favorite oil. If y'all can see in all my videos, I am forever using this oil. Publix be having buy one get one free, and baby girl be on that sale. So it's the free fruit. Yeah, I showed y'all. And if you need it, comment down below. I'll let you know. I squirt a good amount in my hands, and all I do is curl. I say curl. Run my fingers through my curls, because I don't like that tight look that crimp curls do. I like it to have that deep wave look. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello, it is me. It is boujeeebae. She is here with her curls for the girls. Okay, I'm gonna stop being crazy. So I get my hot comb. I'm gonna use the mirror. The most important part of your hair is that wax stick. I use my Care for my OGs. Yeah, I know I use that Care. I don't use no other wax spray. I don't really like too much volume in the front, so I just put a little bit right there. Wow, I'm so exhausted. I just got up for 1 second. And I just press it down, because I don't really care for the curls to be so much at the top. Then you go here a little bit. Up here. The wax stick make your hair look so much fresher than what it does look like, in my opinion. And that is Essie hair for y'all. I told y'all from the beginning, this hair is the GOAT. This hair company is the GOAT. For real. Look how these curls are intact. I ain't have to do too much. And y'all already know what the deal is when it comes to boujeeebae and these hairs. Don't be afraid to ask me more questions. If you have more questions about this hair, if I missed any pointers about this hair, comment down below and let me know, and I will be glad to answer. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment, y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you for subscribing and loving me and watching this video.